From the deepest, most secluded corners of Southeast Asia, a fruit of legendary status emerges. It is a jewel, cloaked in royal purple, whispered about in ancient texts, and revered for centuries. But its true power, its profound secret, has long remained a mystery, locked away in its delicate flesh. We are about to step beyond the veil, to journey into a world where nature's most potent elixirs are harnessed with breathtaking precision. This isn't just about a fruit, it's about unlocking the very essence of vitality, transforming a tropical wonder into a concentrated force against time itself. Imagine a place where the vibrant energy of the jungle meets the cold, calculated efficiency of cutting-edge engineering. A place where the pursuit of longevity isn't just a dream, but a meticulously engineered reality. This is the hidden world behind the everyday products we consume, a realm of industrial alchemy where raw botanical power is refined into something extraordinary. We are entering a high-tech Mangosteen factory, a cathedral of innovation dedicated to crafting an anti-aging syrup on an industrial scale. It's a journey that begins with the whisper of the wind through tropical leaves and culminates in a product designed to defy the relentless march of time. Feel the hum of unseen machinery, the subtle scent of exotic fruit mingling with sterile air. This is where the ancient wisdom of traditional medicine converges with the relentless march of modern science. Every gleaming surface, every precisely calibrated sensor, every automated arm works in concert to extract the very best from nature's bounty. We are not merely observing a manufacturing process, we are witnessing the birth of a new paradigm in wellness, a testament to human ingenuity in its quest for a healthier, longer life. Prepare to uncover the intricate dance between nature and technology, to see how a humble fruit becomes a beacon of hope in the global pursuit of youth and vitality. This is the untold story, the secret life of the mangosteen, revealed. The mangosteen, often hailed as the queen of fruits, holds a mystique far beyond its delectable taste. Its true marvel lies in its pericarp, the deep purple rind, which is a treasure trove of potent compounds known as xanthones. These aren't just any antioxidants, they are a unique class, with over 200 identified in nature, and the mangosteen alone boasts over 40 distinct types. This concentration is virtually unparalleled in the plant kingdom, making it a focal point for researchers exploring its potential in anti-aging and overall wellness. The sheer density of these bioactive molecules is what elevates the mangosteen from a mere fruit to a pharmaceutical-grade botanical wonder. Consider the journey of this fruit from tree to factory. Unlike many mass-produced crops, mangosteens are notoriously delicate and have a short shelf life. They thrive in very specific tropical climates, requiring meticulous care from cultivation to harvest. Farmers often handpick the fruits, carefully inspecting each one for ripeness and blemishes, a process that speaks to the fruit's inherent value and fragility. A single bruise can compromise its integrity, making the initial stages of its journey a testament to human dedication and respect for nature's bounty. This delicate handling ensures that only the finest specimens, bursting with their full complement of beneficial compounds, make it to the processing stage. Historically, mangosteen was a prized delicacy reserved for royalty and the elite. Legend has it that Queen Victoria herself offered a reward to anyone who could bring her fresh mangosteens, highlighting its rarity and esteemed status centuries ago. This historical reverence wasn't just for its taste. Traditional medicine systems across Southeast Asia have long utilized various parts of the mangosteen tree, from its bark to its leaves and fruit, for a myriad of ailments, from skin infections to digestive issues. The knowledge of its healing properties is deeply embedded in cultural heritage, passed down through generations, long before modern science began to unravel its chemical complexities. The modern understanding of mangosteen's anti-aging properties largely revolves around its xanthones. These compounds exhibit powerful antioxidant activity, neutralizing free radicals that contribute to cellular damage and accelerate the aging process. But their benefits extend beyond simple antioxidant action. Research suggests xanthones possess anti-inflammatory properties, which are crucial given that chronic inflammation is a key driver of many age-related diseases. Furthermore, some studies indicate potential roles in supporting cellular repair, promoting healthy immune function, and even influencing gene expression related to longevity pathways. It's a multifaceted approach to wellness, all encapsulated within this single, remarkable fruit. Think about the engineering challenges involved in processing such a delicate and complex fruit on an industrial scale. Extracting the beneficial compounds from the tough pericarp without degrading them requires sophisticated techniques. Early methods were rudimentary, often involving boiling or drying, which could diminish the potency of heat-sensitive compounds. Today, factories employ advanced extraction technologies, often involving cold pressing, solvent extraction, or supercritical CO2 extraction, each carefully chosen to maximize yield and preserve the integrity of the active ingredients. This evolution in processing reflects a continuous pursuit of perfection, aiming to deliver the most potent and bioavailable form of mangosteen extract possible. The global demand for anti-aging products has skyrocketed, transforming the mangosteen from a regional delicacy into a global commodity. This surge has spurred innovation not only in processing but also in sustainable cultivation practices. Farmers are now employing advanced agricultural techniques to optimize yields while minimizing environmental impact, ensuring a steady supply of high-quality fruit without depleting natural resources. The journey from a small, family-run farm to a global supply chain involves intricate logistics, quality control at every step, and a deep understanding of international trade regulations. It's a testament to the fruit's growing importance in the wellness industry. Consider the sheer volume of mangosteens required to produce industrial quantities of syrup. Thousands, if not millions, of fruits are processed annually. Each fruit, with its unique biological makeup, must be treated consistently to ensure a standardized final product. This level of consistency is achieved through rigorous quality control measures, from the moment the fruit arrives at the factory gates to the final bottling of the syrup. Every batch is tested for purity, potency, and absence of contaminants, guaranteeing that consumers receive a product that is not only effective but also safe. This commitment to quality is paramount in an industry focused on health and well-being. The development of mangosteen-based anti-aging syrups also highlights a fascinating interplay between traditional knowledge and modern pharmaceutical science. Scientists are not just rediscovering what ancient cultures knew, they are dissecting it, understanding the precise mechanisms of action, and enhancing its delivery. For instance, the bioavailability of xanthones can be a challenge, meaning how well the body absorbs and utilizes them. Modern formulations often incorporate technologies like liposomal encapsulation or nanoemulsification to improve absorption, ensuring that the powerful compounds reach their target cells effectively. This fusion of old and new creates a product that is both rooted in history and propelled by cutting-edge innovation. Beyond its internal benefits, the mangosteen's potential extends to topical applications. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties make it an attractive ingredient in skincare formulations, aiming to combat visible signs of aging, reduce redness, and promote a more youthful complexion. This versatility underscores the fruit's broad spectrum of benefits, positioning it as a holistic anti-aging solution, both from within and without. The journey of the mangosteen is far from over. As research continues, new applications and deeper understandings of its profound capabilities are constantly emerging, promising an even brighter future for this queen of fruits. The journey of the mangosteen from a tropical orchard to a potent anti-aging syrup begins long before it reaches the factory floor. Raw materials, specifically the pristine mangosteen fruits, are sourced from meticulously managed farms in Southeast Asia. These farms adhere to strict agricultural practices, often organic or sustainable, ensuring the fruits are free from pesticides and grown in optimal conditions to maximize their xanthone content. Once harvested, the fruits undergo an initial sorting and cleaning process at the farm, removing any damaged or unripe specimens. They are then carefully packed into specialized, temperature-controlled containers to prevent spoilage and bruising during transit. Upon arrival at the high-tech factory, the mangosteen fruits are immediately directed to a receiving bay. Here, a sophisticated automated system performs a second, more rigorous quality inspection. Conveyor belts carry the fruits under high-resolution cameras and optical sensors that scan for any imperfections, size discrepancies, or signs of spoilage that might have occurred during transport. Only fruits meeting the stringent quality parameters are accepted into the processing line. Rejected fruits are diverted for alternative uses or composting, ensuring that only the finest raw material enters the production stream. This initial screening is critical for maintaining the purity and potency of the final syrup. The accepted mangosteens then proceed to a thorough washing and sanitization station. Here, they are gently sprayed with purified water and, in some cases, a mild, food-grade sanitizing solution to remove any surface contaminants, dirt, or microorganisms. This process is crucial for food safety and is often followed by a rinse with deionized water to ensure no residues remain. After washing, the fruits are air-dried using high-velocity fans, preparing them for the next critical step, pericarp separation. This is where the true magic begins. The mangosteen's most valuable compounds reside primarily in its deep purple pericarp, or rind, not the white, edible flesh. Specialized robotic arms, equipped with precision cutting tools, are employed to carefully score and separate the pericarp from the aril, the edible pulp. This process is incredibly delicate, as the goal is to maximize the yield of the pericarp while minimizing contamination from the pulp, which has different chemical properties. The separated pericarps are collected in sterile containers, while the pulp is often diverted for other food products or discarded. The collected pericarps are then transported to the extraction unit. This is the heart of the anti-aging syrup production. Modern factories typically utilize advanced extraction methods to isolate the xanthones and other beneficial compounds. One common method is solvent extraction, where the pericarps are finely milled and then steeped in a food-grade solvent, such as ethanol or water, under controlled temperature and pressure. This process allows the bioactive compounds to dissolve into the solvent. Another cutting-edge technique is supercritical CO2 extraction, which uses carbon dioxide under high pressure and low temperature to selectively extract compounds without the use of chemical solvents, resulting in a purer, more concentrated extract. Following extraction, the liquid extract, now rich in xanthones, undergoes a series of purification and concentration steps. This typically involves filtration to remove any solid particulate matter, followed by evaporation or vacuum distillation to remove the solvent and concentrate the active ingredients. The goal is to achieve a highly potent, standardized extract. Quality control checkpoints are integrated throughout this stage, with samples taken and analyzed using high-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC, to verify the concentration of key xanthones and ensure consistency between batches. Once the mangosteen extract reaches the desired concentration and purity, it is carefully blended with other ingredients to form the final anti-aging syrup. These additional ingredients might include natural sweeteners, like stevia or erythritol, natural flavors to enhance palatability, preservatives to ensure shelf stability, and sometimes other complementary botanical extracts or vitamins to boost its efficacy. This blending process occurs in large, sterile mixing tanks equipped with precise temperature and agitation controls to ensure a homogeneous mixture. The finished syrup then moves to the bottling and packaging line. Automated filling machines accurately dispense the syrup into pre-sterilized bottles, often made of dark glass or UV protective plastic to shield the product from light degradation. Capping machines seal the bottles, followed by labeling machines that apply product information, nutritional facts, and batch codes. Robotic arms then carefully place the bottles into secondary packaging, such as cartons or display boxes, which are then grouped and shrink-wrapped for protection. Throughout the entire manufacturing sequence, stringent quality control measures are in place. Beyond the initial raw material inspection and extract analysis, samples of the finished syrup are taken from each batch for microbiological testing, heavy metal analysis, and final potency verification. This ensures the product is safe, pure, and delivers on its promised benefits. Safety protocols are paramount, with sterile environments, controlled atmospheric conditions, and strict hygiene practices for all personnel. Finally, the packaged anti-aging syrup is transferred to a climate-controlled warehouse. Here, Advanced logistics systems track inventory and prepare orders for distribution. From the warehouse, the finished product is shipped globally, reaching consumers eager to harness the ancient power of the mangosteen in a modern, scientifically formulated syrup. The entire process, from the tropical tree to the final bottle, is a testament to precision engineering, scientific rigor, and a deep respect for nature's profound gifts. And there you have it, the incredible journey from a humble tropical fruit to a cutting-edge anti-aging elixir, meticulously crafted within the walls of a high-tech factory. We've peeled back the layers, revealing the intricate dance between nature's potent chemistry and humanity's relentless pursuit of innovation. From the delicate hand-picking of mangosteens to the precise robotic extraction of xanthones, every step is a testament to the power of industrial-scale wellness. What surprised you most about this complex process? Was it the historical reverence for the mangosteen, the sheer volume of fruit processed, or the advanced scientific methods used to unlock its secrets? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this deep dive into the world of mangosteen fascinating, you won't want to miss our next adventure. We are taking you inside another surprising factory, revealing the shocking process behind a beloved treat. Get ready to discover the watermelon's factory process, the shocking process behind gummy candy production, a video that just appeared on your screen. Click now to continue your journey into the hidden worlds of industrial production. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to unlock more untold stories and peek behind the curtains of everyday products. Join our community of curious minds and never miss an episode.